Hey guys, in this video today, I'm just going to show you the quickest and easiest way to check your fuses, to check if you suspect you've got a blown fuse, and the best way to do that. Okay, so I've got a fuse box here, which fuse boxes can come all over the place. They're inside the car, under the engine bay, in the back of the car. But just for today's purpose, I'm just going to show you the easiest way. So I've got a test light here, which is going to be the easiest way. So I'm going to earth out the test light and the earth point. And the quickest way to test the fuses is just to touch them on each of the metal tabs and see how that's lit up. And the other tab is lit up also. So you've got power on both points of the fuse, so that's a good fuse. So guys, just watch as I test this fuse here. I've got power on this side. I'm touching this tab here, and there's nothing. That's a blown fuse. There's no current, no power between the two tabs. Whereas this one, that's a good fuse. So that's a bad fuse right there. The next way I'll show you guys is if you have a multimeter. So what you can do, the easiest way I find is to put it on your continuity check. That's where it makes a buzzing noise when the current is formed. So I'll show you, if I touch these two together, you'll hear a noise. Now if I go over to the bad fuse and touch them, you don't hear anything. There's nothing, because there's no complete circuit. Where on a good fuse, I don't think it does that, but you'll hear that. So a bad fuse, once again, nothing. A good fuse will be complete circuit. There you go. So another check that you can do if you don't have any tools or equipment whatsoever is just a visual check. So I don't know if you can see here, the actual blade on the fuse is broken. That's a blown fuse. Power can't continue through. Whereas if you look at this one, you can see the blade is intact. So that's a good fuse. So now that's just a quick check you can do if you don't have any equipment whatsoever. Okay guys, so I've got a new fuse here. Put that in. The blown one's fixed. So all our fuses here are good. So that's how you fix a fuse. I really hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions or whatever, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to whatever I can. If that's really helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.